Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is well and happy as I am. It is 11 o'clock on the dot, and we are ready. We are ready. I hope everyone is happy as I am. I hope everyone is excited as I am, and I hope everyone is good. There are a few rules that I would love us to just start with. So the first rule is that during this lesson, all your videos must be off. No one must be able. I'm the only video that must be working is mine. Also, another rule that we're going to be doing is that um, the chat is only going to be used when I say that you must use it. So if I say that, okay, no, now it's, can I have an answer to this or that? That's when we only start to use the chat. But besides that, no, then we are not going to be using the chat for anything else besides the point of but besides the point of the how can I put this? The lesson. So let us get ready. We're still doing division, but today we're only focusing how when you divide with 2, when you divide with 3, when you divide with 4. Right? Still 50, focusing on 50, but dividing with 2, dividing with 3, dividing with 4. Right now you have, it is 2 minutes past 11. You have until 4 minutes past 11 to get all your things together. Whether you need to get your stationery, whether you need to get whatever you need to do, you have about 4 minutes now. 4 minutes to get whatever you need ready. You have 4 minutes to do that. Yeah, so you have 4 minutes to do that now, and your time's not 4 minutes, 2 minutes, and your time starts now. Please get whatever you need for the lesson. Right. Please get whatever you need for the lesson. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do that. 2 minutes to do that, to get whatever you need for the lesson. Whatever you need, please get it. Please, 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 please get it. 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 Right. Right. So it's 3 minutes past 11. 3 minutes past 11. 3 minutes past 11. 1 more minute left. 1 more minute left, guys. Please get whatever you need for the lesson. Please get whatever you need for the lesson. We're doing division today. So I hope everyone is excited as I am. You know, you always need to be excited about division. It's impossible not to be excited about division. Division teaches you how to share, how you split it. You know, if you can think about sharing, that's division. Understand? That's division. Sharing. When I need to share, please switch off your video. So when I need to share something, that is division. So if I want to learn about sharing, I must learn about division. For example, if I have 10 sweets and I have 2 friends, or let me say there are 10 sweets and we are 5 friends, right? There are 10 sweets, we are 5 friends. I'm going to be using division to find out to say how many sweets, how many sweets can we each get, right? Out of, if we're 10 and we're to 10 sweets, we're 5 friends, how many sweets are each person going to get? That's division. Then you're going to be like, okay, one, if I have friends, 5 friends, right? One friend is named Spiwe, the other friend is named Jack, the other one is Tepo, the other one is Sam, and the other one off of my head is Neo. Right. I know that I'm going to give Spiwe what? If I give Spiwe 1, I give Tepo 1, I give Sam 1, I forgot the other one's name. I think Jack, I call him Jack, right? 1, and I give Tom 1. There are 5. there's still another 5 remaining, right? Then I give 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the end of the day, when I calculate, I'll find that because once you divide, you must be able to go back and check to say, is the number still together? So you see, okay, another 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then when you calculate, you say, oh, it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. So it means that each person got 2, but we'll get into that. Let's start. My name again is Chiponosio Longwe. I like this laser pointer. Makes me feel excited when I use it. Right. So we're dividing 50 by 2, 3, and 4 with numbers smaller than 50. Right. Here is my favorite man in the world. You know, if SpongeBob was a real person, he would be my best friend. If SpongeBob was a real person, he would be my best friend. So we are going to be doing a lot of practical examples. We're going to be doing a lot of practical examples. So we're going to be SpongeBob's today, bit of SpongeBob's today. Right. Here is the answers for yesterday's homework. Right? Here are the answers for yesterday's homework. I hope we did the homework, but here are the answers for yesterday's homework. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Right? So here are the answers for yesterday's homework. I will give you guys about, how would I do this? Let me give you guys about 2 minutes to write down the answers of yesterday's homework. 3 minutes exact. I'll give you guys 3 minutes to write down the answers of yesterday's homework. Your time starts now. Please write down the answers of yesterday's homework. This was yesterday's homework. So please write the answers of yesterday's homework. I know that you can see if you wanted to be a, I don't know, to be sneaky, I'd call it sneaky. You could have just guessed and said, no, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7. But that is besides the point. This is the answers for yesterday's homework. One thing I'd like you guys also to see is that if you wanted to check your answer, right, especially in division, and it's something that I normally tell a lot of grade 3s if they're not sure. Like, you know, sometimes certain people are able to understand multiplication better than division. Now, please write this. Just listen to me right while I'm explaining. Write in these 3 minutes that I've given you all the answers of the homework. And then you can notify me if you guys are done writing all the answers. Right. So if you want to check if your answer is correct in division, I say 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. What you do is that you go, because division is you could basically say it's the opposite of multiplication. So you go back and you say, all right, if 12 divided by 2 is 6, what is 6? Right? 6 times 2. What is 6 times 2? Because if 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? That means if I use these two only, 6 times 2, I must get 12. So 6 times 2 is what? What is 6 plus 6? It's 12. So you write there 12. That's how you check your answers if it's correct with division. But that's if you're not sure. like for example, let's use the one of 16. If I said 16 divided by 4 is 4, that means 4 times 4, right here, these two. 4 times 4 has to give me what? 16. And what's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Basically, 4 multiplied 4 times, it's equal to what? 16. So that's how in division you check your answer. You look here. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 4 is 28. But that's to check your answer. It's time up for you guys to write down the homework. I hope you guys, oh, there's a mistake that happened. I hope you guys wrote down the homework. But that's how you basically check your answers, right? You check your answers by looking at these two over here, and then you just multiply them, and then you get your answers. That's how you get the ball rolling, right? That's how we get the ball rolling. How do we? Yes, let's do this. Let's go to the next one. I hope everyone is done writing the answers of yesterday's homework. But if you got them all correct, that means there's nothing that you're going to be writing down. This was yesterday's homework. You're going to get homework again today. So if they're all correct, then there's nothing for you to really write down. I'll give maybe a minute more for you guys to have the answers if you got them wrong. But if you find that you are getting the things wrong, please, 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 guys, if you find that you are struggling, please do contact me. Always, please do contact me. I always put up my email address. Please do contact me that, no, sir, I'm failing to understand this, or I can't understand this. And check for the video on YouTube. The video is always on YouTube. Our lesson will always be there on YouTube. So please, if you're not understanding something, please speak while it's early so that we can help you. I'm always around to help. Right. I think that's time enough to write. So I want now us to look at division. So I want us to look at division. Now, division is what? As I said, it's the splitting of sharing, or the sharing of things into equal groups. Always the number that you split into will always be the same. You'll never find a situation whereby the numbers are not the same. Let's start here. For example, 8 divided by 4. When I split it into equal groups, to say, remember I told you, you look at here. Nah? I want us to understand very well, very, very well. I look at 8. 8 is the one that tells me. 8 is the one that says, you know what? Since I am 8, let's do this thing actually live so you can see it. So I look at 8. 8 is the number that tells me to say, you know what? I'm speaking about 8 items, right? 8 items. So it's 1. I hope I do it nicely. 2, 3, yeah, let's say 4, 5. I know it's not pretty, but I'll try my best to make this thing very pretty. 6, 7, 8. So I just made 8 squibbles, just quick scratches or squibbles. Let me rather call them squibbles to better explain. So there are 8, right? You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squibbles. Made a mistake. Made a mistake. Made a huge mistake. Let me erase it. Sorry, guys. I just need to, right. Made a huge mistake over there. Fine. Let me just remove it. Right. So I am looking at 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 4. So I need to have I need to make that in each group. How many must I have? I must have what? 4. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. And after I made one group here, I make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I've circled all of them and split them into groups, there must be nothing left behind. That's what makes it equal, that there's nothing left behind. Then I count 1, there's one group. There are what? 2 groups. Therefore, that 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. This tells you how many are you dealing with? What's the number that we're working with? This one tells us how many items must we have in each group. That's how we're going to find out, to say, after counting how many groups we're able to make, that's how we're going to find out what is our answer. Let's go to the next one. We come 12 divided by 3. We write out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we put 12 items or dots or stars, it's fine. Then we said, oh, divided by 3. So I said 1, 2, 3. First group. 4, 5, 6. Second group. 8, 9, 10. Third group. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you make one group, one group, one group, one group. Then how many groups do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's how you get the answer. So right now, I'm going to give you guys a minute just to write this one down. 1 minute to write it down. Your minute has started. 1 minute to write it down. 1 minute to write it down. 1 full minute to write it down. That's how we do division. That's how we do division. So I'm giving you guys time to write this down. I hope that you understand, because I've shown you guys how to do it as well. I hope you understand. So you start 12, you write them out, all of them. Then the next step is that, okay, since I wrote all of them out. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you say, oh, 3, groups of 3, 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3. Then you count. How many groups do I have? How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. So I hope we understand. Please switch off the video. Awesome. And time up. Please, I hope we're writing. I hope everyone is writing as I'm going along. I hope we're writing. Please, please, please write with me. All right. So, yeah. We're going to try an example, then we do it together. Try an example, do it together. Here's one. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do it. 3 minutes to do this example on your own. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. 3 minutes to try this one on your own. 3 minutes to try this one on your own. At 11:35, which is in about 15 minutes, plus minus, 11:35. I'm going to give you guys 10 full minutes to write down your homework. Because I know some of you are slow. So slow in writing, like when you write your things, like you're not as quick as everyone. Like myself, I can easily copy, but when I work out something, I take time, you know. So what I'm going to do is that, so that everyone has a fair chance, the last 10 minutes, I'm going to give you guys a chance to write down your homework. Now, when you write down your homework, please do not start with it. You write down your homework, and then when the lesson is done, that's when you know you can do your homework. Or after the literacy lesson, that's when you can do your homework. So please make sure that you have that in mind. So now please do this example. I gave you 3 minutes. I think you have about 2 minutes left of that 3 minutes. Yes. You have about 2 minutes left of the 3 minutes. Please, 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 please do this example on your own. Please do it. Please do this example on your own. And check your answers, guys. Check your answers. Please do this example on your own. It's a beautiful day today. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. We're going to do about 2 examples before I show you the homework. So when I have a chance to do about 2 examples and have a question and answer session. So 24 divided by 4. So you've got about 10 seconds left to do 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. You have about 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more seconds for penalty time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right. Time up you. Right. So I've got 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. First things first that I do, I look at here, 24. 24 is telling me, I thought it was a laser pointer. 24 is telling me that this is the number of items or dots or stars that I'm dealing with, that I must share. It's the one that's telling me share. Share me. That's 24. That's what 24 is saying. 4 is saying, do it in groups of 4. 4 is saying, do it in groups of 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There must be 24 dots, not more, not less, on the number 24. Then it says groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 groups. You make it in not 4 groups. You make it in groups of 4. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, a group. 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 Then you count. How many groups do I have When I divide 24 by 4, how many groups do I have? How many times can I share it for? How many times can I share it 4 times? How many groups do I have? Then you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. That's all you know. It's 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Because how many groups did you get? Got 6 groups. When you divided 24 by 4. So you have 24, you write it out. Right? 24 dots or 24 stars. It's up to you. Right? And then you count them. Make sure they're 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You make sure they're 24. Then you break it up. Oh, divided by 4. How do I break it down? The 1, 2, 3, 4, first group. 5, 6, 7, 8, second group. 9, 10, 11, 12, third group. 13, 14, 15, 16, fourth group. What? 17, 18, 19, 20. What's this? Fifth group. 21, 22, 23, 24. Sixth group. Then you know 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Please write this down if you have it wrong. So we have 3 minutes to do another example. No. Yeah, we're still on time. So we can still do another example. So you have about, yeah, please write this one down. But at 11:35, it's when I'll open up for you guys to write down the homework. You have 2 minutes to write it down. 2 minutes to write this down. 2 minutes. 2 full minutes to write down the answer. If you got it wrong. If you're getting it right, it's awesome. It's beautiful if you're getting it right. If you got it wrong, please write down the correct one, and then I explain the next one until you understand. I want to make sure that you guys understand. It's very important that you understand. It's above important that you guys understand. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Right. You've got about 50 seconds, plus minus 50 seconds left to write down the correct answer. If you have it wrong, you have 50 seconds to write down the correct answer. 50 seconds. Yeah. So during the time when I make you guys write the homework, you can ask me questions that if you have a problem or you don't understand something, you must ask me, that we can re-explain. I don't mind explaining myself 30 times. I don't mind explaining myself 30 times. If I need to explain, if our lessons could be the whole day, I can go on and 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 on about division. Right. So, time up. I'll give 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 more seconds. Up. I'm out. Going slowly to make sure you write everything. Time up. Good. 10 divided by, didn't we just do 10 divided by 2? Didn't we just do 10 divided by 2 in the previous example? No, we did not. No. But 10 divided by 2 is a bit too easy. Yeah. 16 divided by 2. Do this one. 16 divided by 2. Divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2. You have 3 minutes to do the answer. 16 divided by 2. Let's try 16 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is a bit easy. It's just 5. But let's do 16 divided by 2. 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 Please do the answer now. 16 divided by 2. Let's do 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. Let's try 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. You have 2 minutes remaining. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. You have about a minute left. 16 divided by 2. Let's do 16 divided by 2. 16 items divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. And your time, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up for 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. Right. So we have 16. We do it. You know how many dots must we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then it says divide by 2. 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, 5 groups of 2, 6 groups of 2, 7 groups of 2, 8 groups of 2. Then after that, we count. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So first you write out 16 items, right? So you write out 16 items. Then after you write out 16 items, you divide each item. You split the 16 items to 2 groups each, groups of 2 each. Right? You have 16 items, and then in each group, there must be 2. Each group, there must be 2. So you know it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then you count how many 2s, because there's no more dots anymore, right? You've finished the 16. So how many groups do you have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups. Then you are happy. Then everything is fine. Then we are happy and everything is fine. I think our time is up. I can give you guys 1 minute, but it's going to finish up our homework time. I'll give you 1 minute to write down the answer here, and then we can go back to homework. I have given you 1 minute to write down the answer here. Then we go back to doing homework, writing homework. What our writing down the homework questions are rather. So I've given you 1 minute. 1 minute. There are 8 groups. 8 groups. 16 divided by 2, it's 8. 8 groups. 8 groups. 16 divided by 2, it's 8. About 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 16 divided by 2, it's 8. I hope we're done writing down the correct answer. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Time is up. Guys, I think now it's time for you guys. All right. We're going to do all of that, but preferably write down this. This is your homework for today. Are there any questions while you're writing down your homework? Anyone who has a question, please speak now while you're writing down the homework. I've given you guys 10 full minutes to write down the homework. So is there anyone with a question while it's time now to write down the homework? I'll put in my email so that if you feel the need to contact me, you can do it via email. And yeah, so is there anyone with a question? Okay, so I see there's one question there. So yeah, we're going to, because I saw that yesterday not a lot of you got a chance to ask questions. So I feel that it's time we ask questions. Africa, you have a question?
Yes. Sir, is yesterday's literacy in YouTube.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. I think Africa's gone. Africa's question was, is yesterday's literacy lesson on YouTube? Yes, it is. The answer is yes. Radesh. All right.
Can I do one?
Radesh. Hello?
Yes, can I say a question, please?
Yeah.
Are we also going to do the school work on Saturday and Sunday?
No, we don't do schoolwork on Saturday and Sunday, but I give you homework for the weekend.
Okay.
Yes, I will give you homework
That's
for the weekend.
question.
Anything else? All right, fine. Any other question? Or does everyone understand? Does everyone understand? Hello, you have a question? Hello, you have a question?
Yes.
Yes, what's your question?
Are we going to have story time today?
Today we're not doing a story. Today we're going to do a sound in literacy.
Okay.
All right. We're going to do a phonic, nah?
Yeah.
We're going to look at words today. Yesterday we were doing a story.
Okay.
All right. No problem. Any other question? So there's no question about the lesson at all. Anyone else with a question? Are we fine? Does everyone understand division? Or I must make it a bit more hard?
Maybe you can make the division a bit more harder.
All right, it's fine. I'll make it a bit more harder. It's fine. We're going to do a bit more difficult word problems. It's fine. Later on, next week. Fine.
Okay.
All right. Seems that everyone is understanding. I see that it's easier. The thing is, we must remember that you guys are in grade 3. And in grade 3 now, you're still getting introduced to division and understanding division. And we keep it to 50. We keep it to 50 because it's term 2. We keep the division to 50. But I will make it a bit more harder. I will see. I'll make it a bit more harder with some tricks here and there. But as long as we're understanding, I'm happy. Any other questions? Does anyone else have a question? If not, what's the time? 3 minutes left. If you wrote down all the answers here, and oh right, Ratesh, hello. No one has a question. All right. So I hear that everyone wants it to be harder. It's fine. It's gonna become a bit more difficult. Musa. Musa, you have a question?
Can you make the question even harder?
Okay, I will. I will.
Sir?
Yes, I said I will make it harder. I will make the questions more difficult. If no one else has a question, then I am happy. I am surprised by the comments I have. Africa, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Please don't make it so hard.
All right, I won't make it too hard. I'll just make it a bit more challenging. What I'll do, if you understand better now, I'll make the word problems a bit more challenging. So here now, what we're doing now it will be average, but the word problems that we do later on will be a bit more difficult. But if no one else has if you are going to say that I must make it more harder, because now I think it's time up. So if most of you guys are fine, there's no question about the work, then I think it's just time for me to go. I think it's time for me to go. Let me see. I see a hand raised. I don't see hands raised here. I don't see hand raised here. All right, bye-bye, bye-bye. All right. Yeah, guys, I think it's time up now. And thank you guys for attending the lesson. I love you, all of you, with my whole heart. And bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.